Right now, data science is becoming one of the most useful skills across industries. Companies are using data to understand customers, improve products, predict trends, and even make faster decisions. And the best part is this, it's not only limited to tech companies anymore. Finance, healthcare, marketing, retail, education, almost every industry right now needs people who can work with data. So if you're a student, a fresher, a working professional, or someone planning a career shift, 2026 is actually a great time to start learning data science and analytics. But the big question is this, which course should you actually be choosing? Well, because online there are so many options that it can honestly get confusing. So in this video, let's look at some of the top data science and analytics courses that you can consider in 2026. So I'll keep it simple and tell you what each course is about, why it's worth checking out, and who it's best for. So coming at number 1, we have the Professional Certificate in Data Analytics, Generative AI and Adaptive Systems by IHFC, TIH, IIT Delhi and Simplilearn. Now this course is worth checking out if you want a complete and structured learning path. It covers the most important tools and skills like Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau and even ChatGPT. What makes this course interesting is that it doesn't only focus on traditional data analytics, it also brings in generative AI and adaptive systems that makes it easy and relevant for 2026. So this is an 8-month live online program with hands-on exercises and real-world projects. So you're not just watching lectures, you're actually practicing and building skills. So this course is best for beginners, working professionals and career switchers who want a strong mix of data analytics and AI with an IIT Delhi backed certificate. Coming at number 2, we have the Data Analyst Masters Program by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft. Now, if your main goal is to become a data analyst, this course is very solid. It covers the core tools that most data analyst roles are asking for, which is Excel, SQL, Python, R, Tableau, and Power BI. The good thing about this program is that it focuses a lot on practical learning. So you work on projects like dashboards, customer analysis, and predictive models, which can really help you out when you're building your portfolio. Another strong point here is Microsoft collaboration. You can also get Microsoft course certifications, which can add credibility to your resume. This course is best for people who want to enter the data analytics field with stronger fundamentals and industry-recognized certifications. Coming at number 3, we have the AI-powered Data Scientist Masters Program by Simplilearn in collaboration with Microsoft. Now, this one is for people who want to go beyond analytics and move into full data science and AI. So this course covers Python, SQL, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, LLMs, RAG, and even MLOps. So basically, if you want to understand how data science is being used in modern AI projects, this course gives you a much deeper path. So you also get to work on real-world projects where you build models using AI tools and understanding how machine learning systems are created. This course is best for learners who want to become data scientists, machine learning engineers, or move into AI-focused roles in 2026. Coming at number 4, we have the Professional Certificate in Data Analytics and Generative AI by ENICT Academy, IIT Kanpur and Simplilearn. So now this course is also worth considering if you want data analytics training with an IIT-backed certificate. It covers Excel, SQL, Python, Tableau, generative AI, and prompt engineering. What makes it valuable is the combination of strong analytics fundamentals plus AI exposure. So you're not only learning how to analyze data, but also how AI tools are changing the way data professionals work. This program also includes real-world projects and masterclasses from IIT Kanpur faculty, which adds more learning value. This course also holds value for people who want to recognize certificate, practical analytics skills, and basic exposure to generative AI. Coming at number 5, we have the Applied Data Science with Python by Simplilearn. Now, this course is a good choice if you specifically want to build your Python foundation on data science. It focuses on data analysis, visualization, statistics, and important Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy. The best part is that it's a shorter and a more focused course. So if you are not ready for a long program yet, this can be a good starting point. This course is best for beginners, students, professionals who want to get comfortable with Python before moving into advanced data science topics. Now, before choosing any course, here are the few important tips. First, don't just watch videos, make sure that you practice every day. Second, build at least 3 to 5 real-world projects, for example, dashboards, prediction models, data reports, or even customer analysis projects. Third, focus on the most important tools first, which is Excel, SQL, Python, Power BI, and Tableau. And fourth, once again, basic confidence and start applying for internships, freelance projects, or even entry-level roles. You don't have to wait to become perfect. So these were some of the best data analytics courses and data science courses that you can take online in 2026. But remember one thing, the course will guide you, but your projects and skills will help you stand out. So choose the course that matches your goal, stay consistent, and keep building practical skills. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career-focused content. Also, keep following Simplilearn for more such valuable courses.